If you're experiencing issues with the AFC25 update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A slow or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by trying to load a website or streaming a video. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a minute, and then turn it back on. This can clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to freeze. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by going to the settings and deleting temporary files. This can help improve performance and resolve update issues. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming. This can sometimes kickstart the download process. Navigate to the updates section on your console or PC, pause the update, wait a few seconds, and then resume it. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up your saved data if necessary before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the AFC25 update getting stuck. Enjoy your gaming experience.